we? After a good 3 to 4 hours of driving, we finally reach Oasis. So the bags them here, equipment in the car. So there, I am so tired. I've been driving from this morning. So it's actually right now, hold on, I'm going to exact time. It's now 6:48, so we've been on the road from around after 11 this morning. So right now, we just get room, so we're gonna drop off the stuff in our room for head back, and then might just have some food and then just relax. But yeah, we're not start shooting up till tomorrow, hopefully. So I'm making know what go on, Prince out. Blended fruit punch with my good friend here. Watch now, man. I just tell you what you want to use: melon, banana, pine juice, and I don't know it's going to blended fruit punch. Just working on this right now. Good night, everybody. Yeah, I know I haven't vlogged much from the hotel because I've been doing a lot of shooting, so I don't get the time for actually vlog. Is either I sleep or I'm just there, I relax by the pool. But let's check out these clips of how most of the week, or these are shots that we did for the resort, so you can just check out what go on is in me. And they just reach back into the place because I touch up back tonight, have a look, get some dinner, then crazy we're not sure what I'll go after that, but we know so I dodge the dream weekend traffic that I can't manage it right now. Alright, this is the final night for Dream Weekend. So the last and final party was Rochelle. So right now we'll head to it name Juve. Yes. So right now. So I head to Juve right now and shell down. Every other party they shot. Nah girl in the corner. Even though not every one of them will go, I could survive. But we'll go around 10 party, we'll go around 7 of them. 7, 8, something like that. This I met the 8th one. Cause it was lit. But guess I know, we never buy a season band, we just pay for each party as we go in because we never did know if we never did make up our mind if we don't want to go or not, but we just say, oh, fuck it. Let's just do it and done. We only live one life, we're not sure about next year. So might as well just enjoy it this year and done. So oh no, 1 o'clock in the morning, resort. Everyone at the resort lock up, so there's nothing here to do. Even the bar. Yo, fuck that. Nothing more for me for the rest of the next 2 months. No more alcohol. Low water. Not even soda. Yeah, right now, detox station lifestyle I'm on because it's rough. But we're there, I head out right now. So, this is the only one I actually have go now look at video preview. I've got the rest of them. I left my phone because I see me underwater thing there. It don't work as much as I have an iPhone. The key?
No, dog, the bag them to put over, I see it.
Oh, run go for them now?
Dog.
Yeah, people off. I forgot to turn back.
Key?